Well, welcome back to Alpha 10X, and this is the last episode I'm going to do on the steel to carbon door conversion. Been 10 episodes in total, stretching back 2 years. It's been a long project, and I'm glad it's over actually, to be honest, and now I can move on to the next project. But here we go. This is the last bits of footage I've recorded, and not the purists for continuity. You can see here that I'm attaching the window to the cable, the wire rope that runs and operates the cable through the window regulator. So anyway, the next project is going to be on the restoration of the front of the car, which is no surprise. There's plenty of rust that I need to be cutting out and needs restoration. So without further ado, here we go. Here is some more footage, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for following. Just by fine-tuning that, there's no longer any slack in the cable. I've now fitted the window regulator and the wire rope that holds the window in place and goes around the pulley. So I'll just show you the route it takes. So without the top, around the sheath in here, down, inside, I mean, if you can see that just about on the side there, down into the window. So it's held on by the this just here. And then down on into the rear sheath, across the top, up to another sheath, plastic sheath here, and then down, so at the window comes up. You can see the window is held in here by this bracket. It carries on its journey down along the bottom and back up into the window regulator to allow the window to smoothly come back down. Made these captive aluminium nuts on the inside, riv nuts. So all we need to do is place the door card in and then mount it in. I'm going to offer the door card up. See where we are in position. These door cards seem to slide underneath the top up chrome, like so. And then with a bit of luck, our holes will line up. Perfect. We just need to line everything up, put the other screws on, and then put our door furniture on the outside, the window winders, and it's looking good. Just see now the door card's gone on nicely. It's great that we can use all the original parts on this carbon door. So we've got screws here that I've captively encapsulated into the door, and then on the bottom, several on the bottom, and then up to the top. Now I'm going to put in the winders. That's got a really nice feel to it, it's very positive. There's a tiny little rub screw in here, and this is for the door. Mechanism here, this is for the door mechanism. Tiny little rub screw there, and a spline for it to protect it. So there we have it. We now have the door with the door card in place. The door latch mechanism, so the door mechanism will operate with the latch at the end of the door. So let's take a closer look at this door now. It's actually in place. Obviously it is just on there without any paint on at the moment. It will go off to paint once the final prep work has been done
to both the doors and to the rest of the car, which might be over this winter. So I'm not too worried about the line, door gaps just at the moment. It is a bit bigger here at the moment, and it is a bit close here. So I've got some adjustment to make when the door comes back and it goes on for its final fit when it's painted. So there is alignment and there is adjustment in that door still to do. We've got the mirrors on. I had to drill 2 holes in here, riv nut, and then screwed in place there, so that allows them to adjust. Towards the back here, we've got the GTA style push button, door open, and the handle. That's a nice feature that the GTA car had. It's rather difficult to retrofit the original door handle mechanism and handle back in there, so I've gone down the route of a GTA handle and push button to open. As you can see here now, moving up, we've got the chrome in. This is not quite perfect. I just want to make final adjustments to this up here, so it rotates around a pivot point here inside the door and just allowed it to come up here, so I've got to make a little final adjustment there. But again, that has an effect of the window alignment, so when the window comes up in the channel here and here in the door, it also affects the window. So the window is not up obviously at the moment to its highest position. It's just allowing some air to get into the car. The quarter light window is in there. I haven't replaced any of the rubbers. I'm not too worried about that at this point in time. I just wanted to know. That can be done at a later date. Again, the exterior chrome is in place. This has 3 holes, 1, 2 and 3 under here. Again, I had to drill those holes out from the inside to allow that to go in. So we'll open the door up now and have a look on the inside. So all the same original furniture's in the car. We've got the slam door plate here. I like to keep the door with the finished trim here in carbon. I think that looks particularly very nice. It won't be seen from the outside of the car, but it just gives a little bit of a talking point of the car door when you open it up. It may be a little surprise to some people, not for the purists. I can just see that I haven't quite put all the screws in place here and here at the bottom. It is missing at the moment. It's rubber, so I need to put the rubbers in. Of course, adjust the door appropriately to the alignment, because obviously when you put the rubbers in this channel, the door would need to be adjusted. It does throw it off a bit when you come in. Very tricky to do, actually. Just a nice interior shot of the car there, looking across to the other side. The door is on, but hasn't got the door card on yet, so there's still work to do there. I've painted the hinges here, put a new door strap on here at the top, and put the split pin in. That's easily removed. We have to take the door off again. I've used some cap head bolts here, not the original ones. These are stainless steel. In fact, I could put the originals back in. And looking at the back of the car, look at the B pillar. Again, we've got the strip. The rubber needs to go in here, and all the way up at the C channel, up to the top and round. So thanks for watching again, and got more to come, so like and subscribe, and see you soon again.